This is a story of boy meets girl.
They made a statue of us and put it on a mountain top. Now tourists come and stare at us, blow bubbles with their gum, take photographs of fun, have fun.
They say sometimes love starts with a spark, and that might be true. But if I were to wish you a love, I wouldn't wish fire for you. You see, fire is powerful. It burns bright, then it's gone. It's beautiful and warm, but it doesn't last long. So instead of wishing you a love that burns, I wish you a love like a river that twists and turns. It changes and flows. It is powerful and free, but it consistently finds its way back to the sea. And so, like the water, I hope your love is ever growing, ever changing. I hope your love is powerful and free, and may you always find each other like a river finds the sea.
From my first nudge from God that I wanted a child, there was a spiritual awakening within me that had to be fulfilled. This was most definitely a divine revelation, as I was told I could not physically have children. All of that changed when we were blessed with our miracle baby, Olivia. A true miracle, as God took our first child home on Christmas Day the year prior. We knew how very special Olivia was from the start, finding her self-soothing thumb and walking at 7 months old. Yes, 7 months old. She was on her way. Little did we know that we would do much watching her courageously pave the way for her life ahead she dreamed of for the many years to come. We learned that we are only spectators in our children's lives. On the way home, I prayed, God, please send her a cowboy, because I knew she would need to be loved and adored just the way she is, and they better hang on. She called me one day and we spoke at length. She met a guy at the gym that sparked something in her heart in more ways than one. God has answered many prayers and blessed us with the grace and miracles in several ways. I believe Nathan is the answer to my cowboy prayer. Olivia, my new prayer to God is that you honor yourself and your beloved husband, Nathan, by continuing to live your life happy, free from worry or doubt, faithfully knowing that God has anointed and blessed your lives with a spiritual connection to each other.
You're so beautiful. You look amazing. You look incredible. Your hair looks, I love your hair too. It's so cool. Wow.
Really good. I know. Look.
Beautiful.
So nice.
The last 9 years together have been the most meaningful and transformative years of my life, and today I feel so worthy of being your wife and life partner.
This guy, I mean, I think we can all resonate and understand that he's a good person. He's ambitious. He's driven. You know, he has charisma. But more than that, I think we all can agree that when you meet Nathan, something about him, like he just wants you to just feel inspired. He wants you to succeed. He wants you to just achieve things beyond your dreams, and he met someone better than that. You know, easily.
seen the ON World Travel YouTube video have already seen that no matter where in the world these guys go, they keep each other steady. My favorite thing about watching these videos is just seeing the pure joy that you two get from being in each other's company.
Nathan, for a long time, I was all you had, and you were all I had. You were my first friend, and also my first bully. Nathan taught me so many valuable lessons in life. He gave me the courage to chase my dreams, travel the world, and follow my intuition. And while we're on the subject of role models, the relationship that Nathan and Olivia have cultivated is a rare and exceptional one. Olivia, you have a heart of gold. Your kindness, your charisma, it could overflow an Olympic-sized pool and waterfall and continue going until it reaches the ocean because it is just so damn big. You bring out the best in my brother. You bring out the best in people, in myself and others. And I'm so happy to finally have a sister.
Stop doing agreement. I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me, they're seeking attention. When they want me about the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction.
She tit for dick, I let her lit. I had to dip, I'm on for fifth, I'm rich now. I bought a whip, I paint a paint, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's a no.
I've been in the club and taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CVS is like a block away. Bought a moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake, I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinions on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy, I erase.
Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stop. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the
Load of this. The things we do for wedding videos and photos. Commit.